YouTube, this is just a quick update video, in regards to the active exhaust rattle. You hear that? 1800, 2200 RPMs, no rattle. That's because we installed the MFER-1 active exhaust fix. That keeps the active exhaust open at all times, and I have absolutely no gripe about that. You know what I mean? The best part about it, the active exhaust rattle is no more. It was a quick and easy install, I'm telling you. Just as it says in the little instruction manual. Pretty simple. Now, I use the lift. Thanks, shout out to my boy Sal once again. I used the lift. We lifted it up and it was pretty easy. We had a little issues with the order, but I mean, that's just us messing around and shit. But now I'm just driving around, making sure the rattle is gone, and so far so good. But the thing is, though, is that it never rattled, or it didn't rattle all the time. It was only a good percentage of the time, maybe 70%. It would rattle between 18 and 2200 when I'm light accelerating and the flap is opening. So now, since it's open at all times, we're good to go. So right now I'm just driving around, like I said, and remember, this is just a quick update video, and that's it, just to let you guys know that it actually worked so far. I don't hear it. Definitely a good sign, and I'm just gonna keep messing around with it a little more, driving around that, or doing light accelerations to see how it flap works and stuff like that. But with the MFER-1, costs like $150 or whatever, 115. It was on sale, summer sale. It just took me so long to install it. I bought it for Black Friday, and shit, it sounds good. Sounds really good. Sound like something? Nah, but it didn't. So yeah, all good. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, quick update video, making sure everything's A-okay, which it is. Thank you, YouTube. Like, subscribe. This is just a fix video. Peace.